The other night I had a dream. But it wasn't just like any other dream. I mean, while I was dreaming, I was aware that I was dreaming. And the amazing thing was that everything was so perfect, so real. It was even more real than reality itself. I was in a city. It was nighttime. And I saw cars everywhere moving around me with their headlights on. There was something hypnotic about it all. It was like a strange night dance, if you wish. How it was possible that I was immersed in that extremely complex situation. How it was possible that I could see so much and in so much detail with my eyes closed. After all, I was asleep, wasn't I? So, who was seeing that? Who was experiencing it? Yes, I know that many of you will turn to the brain as the only one responsible for this experience. But the brain is not enough for me. Since I woke up, I no longer look at reality the same way. I have the strange feeling, the deep certainty, that I am still in a dream. It is just a dream that for some reason we have decided to call reality.